Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Spark, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mark.
Hi, Mark. How are you today?
I'm great, Anna. So happy to be here. And you?
I'm very happy too. It's such a beautiful day, and I'm ready to talk.
Me too. And today, we have a very interesting topic. A big word, procrastination.
Wow, that is a big word. What does procrastination mean, Mark?
It's a big one, yes. Procrastination is when you have something important to do, but you decide to do it later.
Oh, I know this. For example, I need to clean my room, but I watch TV first.
Exactly. That's procrastination, doing something easier instead of the thing you really need to do.
I think a lot of people do this. I know I do sometimes.
Oh, me too, all the time. And today, we'll talk about why we procrastinate and how it connects to learning English.
That's a great topic. Learning English is so important, but sometimes it's hard to get started.
True. But before we begin our big topic, we have a small request for you all.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel, English Spark, and give this video a like, a big thumbs up.
And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. It really helps us grow and keep creating more lessons for you.
It really does. So, Mark, procrastination. Why do our brains love it so much?
Great question. Our brain loves things that are easy and fun.
Like watching a movie or playing a game?
Exactly. Those things make us happy right now.
So our brain wants to be happy now, not later.
Yes, that's a big part of it. Think about studying English. Is it always fun?
Not always. Sometimes it's difficult. I have to learn new words and understand grammar.
Right. It's work. And when your brain sees work, it says, oh no, this looks hard. Let's do something easy.
So my brain says, Mark, let's watch a funny cat video online.
Exactly. Cat videos are easy and fun. Your brain gets a little bit of happiness instantly.
That makes sense. So my brain is a little lazy?
Not lazy, just trying to protect you. It avoids things that feel difficult or uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable like when I make mistakes in English?
Yes, exactly. When you say a word wrong or forget something, it doesn't feel great.
True. I feel a little embarrassed sometimes.
And your brain remembers that. So it tries to protect you from that bad feeling by saying, let's not study right now.
Wow. So my brain is trying to help me, but it's actually stopping me from learning.
Exactly. Procrastination feels good for a short time, but it keeps us from our big goals, like speaking English confidently.
So what can we do? How do we tell our brain, it's okay, let's learn?
That's the big question. Luckily, we have some simple tips.
Oh, good. I love simple tips. Tip number 1,
Make it small.
make it small, like a small coffee.
Yes, like a small coffee. Don't say, I'll study English for 3 hours. That sounds huge and scary.
Oh, yes, 3 hours is too long. My brain would say, no, thank you.
Instead, say, I'll study for just 5 minutes.
5 minutes? Only 5?
Yes, only 5 minutes. It's so small, your brain can't say no.
That's true. 5 minutes feels easy. I can learn one new word in that time.
Exactly. And what often happens after 5 minutes?
Maybe I feel good and think, okay, maybe 5 more minutes.
That's it. Starting is always the hardest part. Once you start, it's easier to keep going.
That's a fantastic tip. I'll remember that. Make it small. What's tip number 2?
Tip number 2, make it fun.
Ah, I love that one. Learning English can definitely be fun.
Of course, you don't have to just read grammar books. You can watch movies in English.
With subtitles?
Yes, with English subtitles. Or listen to music, podcasts, or even play word games in English.
I love music. I can listen to a song and read the words, the lyrics.
Good job. Yes, the lyrics. And you learn new words and new sounds. It doesn't feel like studying. It feels like fun.
This is great. My brain will think, oh, music. I love music. It will be happy to learn.
Exactly. Or play a game. Many games on your phone are in English. You can change the language to English.
Oh, that's a very smart idea. I play games on my phone every day.
See? You can learn and have fun at the same time. Find what you enjoy and do it in English.
So make it small and make it fun. What is tip number 3?
Tip number 3 is have a plan.
A plan? Like a map?
Yes, like a map for your English journey. Decide when you will study. For example, every day after breakfast, I will study for 10 minutes.
Ah, so it becomes a routine, like brushing my teeth.
Exactly. It becomes a habit. After a few weeks, you don't even think about it. You just do it.
I like that. So I don't need to decide every day when I'll study. The plan decides for me.
That's right. It makes things easier. You can also plan what you will study. For example, on Monday, learn 5 new words. On Tuesday, listen to a song.
So my brain knows what's coming. It's not a big surprise.
Exactly. Your brain likes to know the plan. It feels safe and comfortable.
These tips are so good, Anna. Small steps, fun activities, and a clear plan. They are simple, but they really work.
Another small tip is to have a special place to study.
A special place, like a favorite chair?
Yes, a quiet corner in your home. When you sit there, your brain knows, okay, it's English time.
That's so cool. The chair helps me focus.
It does. And put your phone away, far away.
Oh, yes, the phone is a big procrastination tool. So many cat videos.
I know. So a special place, no phone, that helps you stay with your plan.
I feel better now. I understand why I procrastinate. It's just my brain trying to be my friend.
Yes, it is. But you are the boss. You can say, thank you, brain. I know this is a little hard, but we can do it. Just for 5 minutes.
And it will be fun. We'll listen to music.
Yes, perfect. You're talking to your brain.
But what about when I feel tired? Sometimes after work, I'm so tired. I don't want to study.
That's a very important point. It's okay to be tired, and it's okay to rest.
Oh, good.
But remember tip number 1, make it small. On a tired day, don't study for 15 minutes, study for just 5.
5 minutes? What can I do in 5 minutes?
You can open your vocabulary app and look at one word, just one. That's all.
That's all?
Yes, the important thing is to do something. You keep the habit alive. You show your brain that English is still important even when you're tired.
Wow, I never thought about that. Doing something very small is better than doing nothing.
Exactly. Small wins make you feel good and give you motivation for the next day.
This is so helpful. I think our listeners can really use these tips for their English studies.
I hope so. Procrastination is normal. Everyone does it. Don't feel bad about it.
Yes, that's important. Don't be angry with yourself. Just say, okay, today I procrastinated. Tomorrow's a new day. I'll start with 5 minutes.
What a great attitude, Mark. That's the perfect way to think. Be kind to yourself. Learning a language is a long journey.
It is. There are good days and bad days.
For sure. On good days, maybe you study for 20 minutes. On bad days, maybe just 5. And that's perfectly okay.
It's all about being consistent, doing a little bit every day.
Yes, consistent is a great word. It means you keep going. You don't stop.
So, to review our tips, 1, make it small. 5 minutes is a great start.
2, make it fun. Listen to music, watch movies, play games in English.
3, make a plan. Decide when and what you'll study.
And a bonus tip, be kind to yourself. It's okay to have a difficult day.
This is a great conversation, Anna. I feel so motivated to study English now. No more cat videos for me.
Well, maybe just one cat video after you study for 5 minutes.
Okay, deal. A reward. That's a great idea. Actually, that's another good tip. After you study, do something you like.
Like having a cup of tea or watching one funny video.
Yes, it teaches your brain that something good happens after you study English.
So my brain starts to think, oh, English is not so bad. After English, I get tea.
That's the idea. You're training your brain to enjoy the process.
I love it. And you know, this isn't just about English. These tips are useful for everything, even cleaning your room.
Yes, you can use them for anything. Start by cleaning for just 5 minutes.
I will, but first, I'll study English.
That's great to hear, Mark. And we hope our listeners feel the same way.
Yes, we do. Learning English is a wonderful thing. It opens up the world.
It really does. You can talk to new people, watch movies without subtitles, and understand your favorite songs.
It's worth the effort, even when our brains want to procrastinate.
For sure. We hope our conversation today was helpful for all of you listening.
We had a lot of fun talking about it.
We did. And before we go, we have a small request.
Yes, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, English Spark, and give us a like. It really helps more people find our podcast. And please share it with a friend who is also learning English.
And we have a question for you in the comments below. Tell us, what is your favorite way to make learning English fun?
Ooh, that's a great question. Do you like music, movies, games? Let us know. We love reading your comments.
Yes, we do. It's great to hear from you. Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you so much. Keep practicing, be patient, and have fun. We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.